Hey everybody, it's Travis with Food Forest Design Solutions. And I'm just heading to a client, future client, to kind of walk their retail property. They have a warehouse, kind of a warehouse space, but it's multiple businesses in the warehouses that have a front entrance with receptionist areas and stuff like that. Well, in the parking lot area, there are planters and raised beds that ornamental flowers and stuff go in. But what we are going to transform it is into a food producing spot. So all the raised beds in the parking lot area are going to have some sort of food producing bush or plant growing on the property. So when the clients come to, I think there's a chiropractic office in there. So when your chiropractic clients come, hey, they on the way in and out, they can pick tomatoes, they can pick a pepper, get some snip off some rosemary, some basil, some oregano, some sage, or strawberries, stuff like that. You can, instead of planting you can plant flowers. They could be pollinators and insect attractors like black-eyed Susans or echinacea, stuff like that. And there's so many different plants and flowers and stuff that you can plant that don't just have to be there to look pretty. They can still look pretty and provide a function. But look at it, you can have planter beds full of different types of peppers. You can have one bed with basil. There's a bunch of different types of basil, so you can have all types of basils growing in one bed. I'm just throwing ideas out there for you to get your mind going and what's possible, and to have an added benefit for people that visit your businesses. And it's just something to think about. Anyway, what do you think? Leave some of your ideas in the comments below this video, and what you would envision in front of your business, or what you would like to see in front of your chiropractic office or your doctor's office, or you own a boutique. What would you like to see? Let me know in the comments below. Have an amazing day, my friends. Grow food, not lawns. See ya.